We are at the Little River Trail. We are in the wilderness.
And there's a creek right over there where we are heading right now. Someone gets to live right there. Like, look at that. They get to live right up there. Timber falling! Oh my gosh. We better watch out.
There's so many trees that have fallen down.
Oh yeah.
So let's hope we're not the next smush people here.
It's so pretty though. And we heard the tree falling like right in front of us, I think it was. Or right behind us.
Yeah, it was just that.
Yeah, it was so dramatic. It really wasn't, but I mean, we could have gotten hit. So watch out for the falling timber.
Look at this tree. It's so hairy.
Just like you.
You're hairier than me. No. They're building a road.
I was trying to get a shot of Donna's little plants here and I fell into that hole right there. But these are super cute, Donna.
I found the mushroom.
I have a little thingy.
I wonder what it tastes like.
Donna wants to taste the water. It might be contaminated.
No, it has rocks all over it.
If she dies, this will be our last video of her.
If it goes through rocks and stuff. It's what I saw on Naked and Afraid.
She watches a lot of like Naked and Afraid
Oh my God,
and stuff
it tastes
like that.
so good.
It does? Okay.
Yeah.
I might try it. You can film me trying the water. So if we die together.
It's going through clay and rocks and everything.
Yeah, no, it might be fine. Dry your hands.
I don't exactly know if I was supposed to drink that, but I think it's fine. Let's try this. Cup it and then throw it on your face.
That tastes like really good water.
I really like.
Can we take some home?
No, I don't think you should drink that much because I don't exactly know if it's that safe.
So there's the house I want. This is like a better view here. So it has like 3 stories. It's completely wooden. Look how amazing that is. I want to buy it.